Ang basta, oh, busog naman to. Nagadidi po. Busog ka. Don't cry. Ha? You're busog. Ha? Don't cry. You're busog. Aran luka-luka ang grandma. No, you're busog. Gisingin natin si Kuya Cholo. Kuya, wake up na. Kuya. Kuya, wake up na. Kuya, wake up na. Kuya, wake up mo. Come, wake up mo si Kuya. You're busog. Don't cry. Don't cry. You're busog. Hindi nagalaw pag ginasabi niya. Oh, wake up na Kuya. Come. Wake up na Kuya. Oh. Oh, wake up mo si Kuya. Oh, you're busog. Don't cry. Natanggol yung rubber band sa buhok. You're busog. Nakaproset. Nakataas. You're busog. Don't cry. Nakapres ang paa. You're busog. Ay, don't cry. You're busog. Nakapres na naman paa. Nakakilas. Don't cry. You're busog. You're full. Nanonood na yun. Napanood yung sarili niya. Panangkon eh. Sing! Other one naman. Parang patikina naman. Parang patikina.